yourself with the other hand. Okay? Can you grasp something? So, well, it would have to be, yeah. Try pushing it, the fingers. Try putting it in and then pushing forwards so that it's somewhere closer to the fingers.
Yeah, I see. Yeah.
Because the friction will be only between the silicone. All the plastic parts will easily slip out.
Okay.
But the main purpose of the device is, as for the training, is just for supporting. So that, for example, if you are working with, I don't know, a kitchen tools or whatever, then obviously you will still use your left hand. But you can just pass it so that you don't have to pull down. You can push down and hold. Okay. So you'll have two columns. The other one will be for a bit larger objects which have to be maintained, and that one should be able to grasp smaller type of bottles as well. This is easier for maybe a big marker can be maintained just to train a bit for practicing, but I'm sure